Good day, ma'am. I'm John Peterson Isagan. So this is our proposal lecture located at CP Avenue, Catalonia intersection to Polong Duterte residence. So first, this is the intersection going up to the preschool in front of the proposal infrastructure Catalonia Grande Jeep Terminal, the San Isidro Church, the Petron, the Phoenix, the Catalonia Grande Elementary School, the NCCC supermarket, the Shell, and the Pulong Duterte residence. So the mission of the survey was to gather data on specific aspects of the road condition, traffic volume, lane marking, aiming to find some causes for why these aspects trigger some pedestrians while they are traversing the Catalonan Grande Road. Next is Selmar Balaba.
Good day, ma'am. I am Roselma R. Balaba, and I will explain the size and population of the Catalonan Grande. The size of an area of Catalonan Grande is approximately 16.3 square kilometers. And according to the latest data of census survey conducted in 2020, the estimated population of Catalonan Grande is 41,171. And next is Tony, who will explain the problem situation of the area.
I'm Luis Matthew Cianfone. I will explain in front of you, ma'am, about the problem situation of the area. The first problem in the area that we surveyed is the lack of signages. Second, one of the crucial problem in the area is the bottleneck, which it can cause traffic buildup. Third is parking of jeepneys beside of the road. Then lastly is the displacement of the electricity post, which it can cause accident, especially on the blind spots. So next, Justin Ito will explain the recommendation and the solution.
I'm Justin Reito. I will explain the solution and recommendation of our proposed miniature. The solution for this road area is from CP Avenue Catalonan Grande intersection to Pulong Duterte residence in Catalonan Grande needs for traffic enforcers here intersection because the road is very wide and to minimize the traffic congestion and also to avoid parking of motor vehicles to improve the flow of traffic congestion. We need to build a loading and or terminal in the area to avoid loading on the public road. So we built the Catalonan Grande Jeepney Terminal in front of preschool in Catalonan Grande. The next one is we need to build a loading in the school area. We need to improve 4 lanes to minimize traffic, and we also need to put signages, pedestrians, and loading and unloading areas to cater the students of the motor vehicle. We also need to put signage in the accident-prone areas to encourage the driver to slow down and ensure that there are no accidents involved in the road that are prone to accidents. The next one is the electric and other utility wires were removed from overhead posts and installed underground so that the road was neat and clean and the driver could focus on driving. So I recommend that every driver follow the rules and no one will argue with the traffic enforcers that you have a violation. It is their duty to follow what we need to inform the drivers. So the last one is why we propose this miniature, because this is the only way to solve the problem here or assigned area that we survey. That's all. So the next one is Aldrin Sampitan will explain the conclusion.
Hello, ma'am. Good day. I'm Alvin A. Sampitan. Regarding for conclusion of our miniature that we made and the survey that we conducted at the Catalonan Grande, we noticed that there are a lot of problems, especially the road signs and the road problem. So we need to improvise so that the drivers will aware and the towing of Catalonan Grande. So due to towing Catalonan Grande, it might cause heavy congestion, especially during rush hour. So miniature, we propose that it should be 4 lanes so that during rush hour, the traffic congestion will reduce. That's all po, ma'am. Thank you.